Good morning. Today is Thursday, April the 30th, 2020. It is the last day of April. I cannot believe April has come and gone that quick. Um, I hope that you guys are all doing well this morning. I was so happy that we had 12 people, 12 of our scholars joined us for our Zoom meeting yesterday. That was fantastic. We have 19 students in our class, so I would really love for us to have all 19 students be able to attend our Zoom meeting. But let's set a goal for next Wednesday. We had 12 today. Let's set a goal that we can get 14 people, 14 students, 14 scholars in our Zoom meeting. All right. So guys, if you have friends that were not able to attend our Zoom meeting and they're in our class, reach out to them and encourage them to log in with their family and be in our Zoom meeting next Wednesday. Okay, so we will have that meeting every Wednesday as a class. And like I said, we had 12 in there of scholars today. We want to shoot for the goal of getting 14 in there next week. Okay. I also want to give you a reminder that today actually is the deadline for voting for the book that we are going to read next, the chapter book. You have the choice of The Twits, Charlotte's Web, or Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Please log into Facebook and give me your vote. I will look at that this evening and announce the winner on Friday morning. Okay, so tomorrow morning I will announce the winner, which book is won, and then starting on Monday I will start reading a chapter from that book each day, just like I did with the previous book. All right, so please follow up with that and do that. I want to get your input. And I also wanted to talk to you today, guys, about goods and services. On our packet from CMS, if you're online, you can scroll down and look at it. There is a box over to the right that says social studies, or how does it say it? Science or social studies topics. And the topic for the next several days is a social studies topic talking about goods and services. A good is something that we produce. We can either make it or we grow it. When you think about people that grow food, plant different plants and vegetables, that's a good, and people sell that item. A Another type of good I was thinking about is like a mask. You see all the people wearing the face mask now, and that's a good. People needed to wear it for protection, and I know when I'm at Showmars each night, we have to wear the mask and we have to wear gloves and stuff to protect ourselves and to protect our customers when they're coming in. We're handing out food to them, those masks. That's a good that people produce. I've had a few different people at work, customers of ours, give us masks. Some of them made them themselves. Some have gone out and bought them and brought them to us. So those are goods that people are now selling and they're giving to someone. So there's some video links that I will also put under this video, guys, that you can watch more and learn more about goods and services. But so a good is something that we need, okay? It can be something that we either grow or make. And then a service is something that we do for someone. I actually wore my Showmars shirt today, so because you know what, I am actually providing a service for people when I am working at my part-time job. When I'm working at Showmars, I am providing a service for people by selling them food and making sure, I don't do any of the preparation of it, but people that work at Showmars, they prepare the food, they make sure it's, healthy and it's cooked right, and we take it out to people, So there are all kinds of service jobs. Think about during this time, especially, a lot of people are ordering things and getting things delivered to their house. So a delivery driver, they might be delivering food, or they could be delivering groceries or other materials to your house. That's a service that they're providing. All right. So my challenge to you is to draw a picture of your family and think about each person in your family and the service that they provide to your family. All right. So when I think back to when I was a kid, I think about, what did my mom do all the time? What service did she provide for my family? And back when I was a kid, my mom would cook dinner, like a big dinner, every single night. And that was a big service to our family. She provided us, it was like providing food service for us. because when I was a kid growing up, we hardly ever went out to eat dinner. It was a really big treat if we got to go out to eat dinner because mom always fixed food and it was good, but as a kid, sometimes we wanted something different, wanted to go out, but I appreciate the service that she provided for our family. So if I was drawing a picture of my family as a kid, I might draw a picture of my mom cooking in the kitchen, maybe wearing an apron, and it's showing the service that was providing to my family. I think about myself as a kid or a little bit older kid, but when I was about 12 years old, I started mowing the grass. That was my chore to do each week at my house. And I mowed the grass for many years, well into my 20s. That was my job every week, mow the grass. So if I was, I thought I got to thinking about it, and if I was drawing the picture of my family, the service that I was providing was like the lawn service, right? So maybe I'd draw a picture of myself pushing a lawnmower. So think about that, okay? Think about the people in your family and the services that they provide just for your family, okay? And I look forward to seeing your work, guys. You can always share your work on Facebook or have your parents text it to me, email it to me, whatever. I really love seeing your work and look forward to seeing the things that you come up with, okay? Have a great day. Don't forget, click on those videos to learn more about goods and services, okay? Bye.